We are all brain lovers and we are constantly seeking to improve its function. Could the secret to boost your brain for sharper memory, better focus, and increased brain power be already in your kitchen? The foods that you eat can unlock your brain's full potential. Today, we're revealing the top 9 brain foods that can give you that cognitive performance boost. And no, these are not just common health foods, you'll be surprised by some of the items on this list. Welcome to Levitas. In today's fast-paced world, your brain is constantly working, whether it's processing information, solving problems, or simply managing daily tasks. Just like your body, your brain needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Consuming nutrient-rich foods not only helps to improve focus, memory, and concentration but also supports long-term brain health, preventing cognitive decline as you age. So, what are the best foods to power your brain? We've carefully curated a list of 9 amazing foods that are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all of which can keep your brain sharp and energized. Let's dive in. Food number 1. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin for a good reason. They're rich in several brain-boosting nutrients, including choline, a nutrient that's essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for mood, memory, and cognitive function. Choline helps improve brain plasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. Additionally, eggs are packed with B vitamins like B6, B12, and folate, all of which play a role in slowing cognitive decline by reducing levels of homocysteine, a compound that can damage neurons. Also, organic pasture-raised eggs are high in omega-3s, which are essential fatty acids that support overall brain health and performance. So, how much should you eat? Incorporating 2 eggs into your daily food plan is enough to reap the cognitive benefits. You can have them scrambled, boiled, or even as an omelette, just be sure to keep the yolk, as that's where most of the nutrients are found. Food number 2. Red meat, particularly grass-fed grass-finished beef, is an excellent source of high-quality protein and iron, both of which are vital for brain health. Protein provides the amino acids necessary for neurotransmitter production, which impacts everything from your mood to your focus. Iron, on the other hand, plays a critical role in oxygenating the brain. Low iron levels can lead to brain fog, poor concentration, and even cognitive decline. Red meat is also rich in zinc, which is essential for neurotransmitter function and neuron communication. Plus, grass-fed grass-finished beef has a higher omega-3 profile, which is essential for optimal brain activity. Eating about 3 to 4 ounces of lean red meat, 2 to 3 times per week, can give your brain the nutrients it needs without overdoing it. Food number 3. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are brain powerhouses. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, particularly vitamin K, lutein, zeaxanthin, and folate, all of which are crucial for brain health. Vitamin K is particularly important for memory and cognitive function, while lutein and zeaxanthin protect brain cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Leafy greens also promote neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, helping you stay sharp as you age. Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups of leafy greens daily. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. They're easy to incorporate and provide lasting brain benefits. Food number 4. Matcha, a finely ground powder of specially grown green tea leaves, is a superfood for the brain. It's loaded with antioxidants, particularly a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has neuroprotective properties. EGCG helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, both of which are linked to cognitive decline. Matcha also contains caffeine and L-theanine, which work together to enhance alertness and focus while promoting a calm, relaxed state. Perfect for those who want mental clarity without the jittery side effects of coffee. Drinking matcha can also boost your brain's alpha waves, which are associated with relaxed concentration and creativity. For optimal brain benefits, you can drink 1 to 2 cups of matcha tea per day, or use matcha powder in smoothies or baking to give your brain a tasty, nutrient-rich boost. Food number 5. Dark chocolate is a brain food. Yes, you heard that right. It's rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow to the brain, and promote the growth of neurons and blood vessels. This increased blood flow boosts cognitive function, especially in areas related to memory and learning. Additionally, dark chocolate contains small amounts of caffeine, which can enhance focus and alertness without overstimulating your system. But the benefits don't stop there. Dark chocolate also encourages the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that improve mood and reduce stress. The ideal amount to eat is about 1 ounce of dark chocolate, 80% cocoa or higher, a few times per week. Not only will you satisfy your sweet tooth, but you'll also give your brain a healthy dose of antioxidants and brain-boosting compounds. Food number 6. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for brain health. These healthy fats support proper blood flow to the brain, helping deliver essential nutrients and oxygen. Avocados also contain folate, magnesium, and vitamin K, which protect the brain from stroke and cognitive decline. Furthermore, the high levels of vitamin E found in avocados act as antioxidants that shield brain cells from oxidative stress. The creamy fruit is also known for stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can lead to poor focus and concentration. For optimal brain performance, incorporating half an avocado into your daily diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or as guacamole, can help enhance cognitive function, improve mood, and protect your brain long-term. Food number 7. Walnuts are one of the best nuts for brain health due to their high levels of DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining brain structure and function. DHA is essential for brain plasticity, which supports learning and memory. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the brain from damage and aging. Just a handful of walnuts, or about 1 ounce or 14 halves, per day is enough to support brain function. You can eat these as a dessert, or toss them into your kefir or salads for an extra cognitive boost. Food number 8. Blueberries are often hailed as a brain superfood due to their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are both linked to aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Blueberries also improve communication between brain cells and enhance memory function, making them particularly effective in delaying cognitive decline. To get the brain-boosting benefits of blueberries, aim to consume about half a cup to a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. They're great on their own, or you can mix them into kefir, smoothies, or organic oatmeal for a delicious, brain-friendly treat. Food number 9. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and directly benefit brain cells. Curcumin helps to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a growth hormone that promotes the formation of new neurons, improving learning and memory. This makes turmeric a potent ally in fighting cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin also acts as an antioxidant, protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. To reap the benefits of turmeric, aim to consume around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per day. Add it to soups, smoothies, or teas, or take it in supplement form. To boost absorption, pair it with black pepper, as the piperine in black pepper enhances the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2000%. Also, add some healthy fats like avocados or extra virgin olive oil for even better absorption. In conclusion, the 9 nutrient-dense foods we've highlighted are essential for boosting brain health and cognitive function. From eggs and grass-fed beef, rich in choline, omega-3s, and protein, to the brain-protecting antioxidants in leafy greens, matcha, and blueberries, these foods provide a range of nutrients and compounds that enhance memory, focus, and brain performance. Incorporating these foods into your daily food plan can help sharpen mental clarity, improve mood, and protect brain health for the long term. These few simple additions to your meals will benefit your brain for significant cognitive benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.